The evolution of the Chevrolet Suburban and the slightly shorter Tahoe have generally followed suit with the automaker's full-size pickup line. We got an all-new Silverado for the 2019 model year, and now it's time for Chevrolet's big SUVs to evolve. Say hello to the new 2021 Suburban and Tahoe. Both SUVs will offer 9 exterior shades at launch, and if they look a bit bigger, it's because they are. The Suburban's wheelbase is stretched 4.1 inches and is 1.3 inches longer overall. The Tahoe expands even more. Its wheelbase now spans an extra 4.9 inches and bumper-to-bumper distance grows by 6.7 inches. The other big news item is found under the hood. The familiar 5.3-liter V8 carries over as the standard engine, still packing the same 355 horsepower. The 6.2-liter 420 horsepower V8 also carries over as the up-spec engine. However, the new 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel inline-six joins the options list, offering an estimated 277 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. Regardless of the engine, everything is now connected to a standard 10-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy figures aren't available for any of the engine options yet, including the diesel. Pricing isn't available yet either, but we can tell you that a new High Country model level joins the ranks as the range-topping trim beyond the Premier Edition. Currently, the Suburban Premier model starts at $69,795, so it's safe to say the new High Country will probably exceed $70,000. The 2021 Suburban and Tahoe will hit the dealerships in mid-2020.